Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. S to the power of 3 we can put into s squared and s. Next we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s squared plus 1 because we have s squared, so I will put number 1 go to the left. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. Now we have 1 du. This one we have 2s ds. So because 1 du we can put du. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. S squared we change by u minus 1. S ds we change by du over number 2. U divided by u, 1 divided by u. The integration of number 1 we have u. The integration of 1 over u we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about s squared plus 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.